I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, answering the question of whether you can use the Swiffer for laminate floors. And you can see I've got my laminate floors here. Very realistic, I think. I'm very happy with these. And yeah, the Swiffer works great on laminate floors. No problem cleaning those. I find it works great for getting dust off of there, and as long as your laminate floors are well sealed, there's no cracks or damage, and they are a waterproof laminate, which most are, mine included. You can also use the wet pads on your Swiffer to clean that, or use the Swiffer wet jet on the laminate floors. I use all of those. I use the Swiffer dry that I've got here, I use the Swiffer with wet pads, and I use the wet jet all in my laminate floors, and this does great. There's no problem at all, and it works extremely well, I would say. I think it's basically pretty comparable performance to wood floors, but I worry less, especially with my laminate that is water sealed and is a little bit more sort of stronger. It holds up better in my experience than my wood floors. I find that this is a really great product, and I don't worry about using like the Swiffer wet jet wood version on it because, again, it's laminate, it's very durable. Again, your mileage may vary. Make sure that your laminate floors are fully sealed and waterproof. But as long as they are, yeah, then not only can you use the dry pads, you can use the wet pads on it as well. In my experience, it works really great on laminate floors.